Hey everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with AmysCreativeAcrylics. I'm Amy. Hello. Today I'm going to do a pour. This is on a 16-inch Artist canvas. Round one, obviously. And let's see. The color, I'm just going to be using some shades of blue. I am using, Blinkrylic's Florescent Blue, Decoart's Deep Sapphire, Decoart's Metallic 24 Karat Gold, and Decoart's Sapphire, and Rustoleum's Metallic Glacier Blue. And then my white, I am using Artist Lost Flow White. And I'm going to use Amsterdam's titanium white for my Shmear color. I'm just going to put a puddle here. Okay. So I think I will start with the Sapphire. And I'm not really sure if I want to have any negative space. We'll just kind of see how it goes. I'm okay if I don't this time. So usually I like to have some negative space, but and then my gold. And then the deep sapphire. I don't think we're going to have any negative space left. All right, so I just take my titanium white and I just put it on my palette knife here. Just like so. Gonna slide everything out of the way here, and then we're gonna spin it, open up that cells. It's so pretty. I don't know. Part of me wants a little bit. I think I'm gonna stop. Let me torch it real quick. All right, I'm good. I'm gonna stop where I am, and I'm gonna bring you down for a close-up. Okay, I'm gonna bring you down for a close-up. Look at those cool cells. Got some awesome lacing. Not too happy about all these little white spots. Those kind of popped up when I was torching, and I'm not a fan of that, so we shall see how it dries. Look at those cool cells there, though. Very cool. I think I'm definitely going to resin this. We'll see what happens. But you guys have to tell me what you think. I do appreciate everybody watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a quick one. And if anybody has any ideas what these little white spots are, why they popped up like this, this is the same mixture that I always do. I do 1 part paint to 2 parts Floetrol, a little bit of Liquitex Gloss Pouring medium, and then some little bit of water as needed, just to get the consistency that I want. And I don't know if I've ever had that happen with all these little white dots, but yeah, I'm not really sure. But I do thank everybody for watching. I hope you guys will like and subscribe and share and comment. I appreciate all your support. I finally made it to 1,000. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. I'm so excited. I'm almost ready to get monetized. I do have a few watch hours to get up, but almost there. So I appreciate your guys' support. I hope everybody is being safe, and have a good day. Have a good evening. Keep being creative. Bye-bye.